Hi guys, it's Kat and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is on December's Glossybox. I would normally do a battle of the boxes, but I thought they deserve a separate video, so that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to film both of them today after each other. I have got a new Christmas background. I did like the one I had before, but I have added a little bit. So I've taken down my bauble lights because they stopped working. I don't know if it was batteries or they just stopped working. I couldn't actually get the little battery pack opener thingy off it, so I have replaced them with these little wooden lights. They've got like reindeer cutouts and then the lights are inside. I have got this very sparkly wreath going along, and I've got my little small bauble lights in there as well. So I haven't actually got my little light that I have normally up behind the camera because I can't find it. At first I couldn't find the actual cable to charge it, and now I can't actually find the light, so I'm hoping the natural light is going to work for us today. I feel like I'm getting a sore throat again. This is like the third time in a couple months. I've had it already 2 times, October and November, and I feel like I'm getting it again now. But I have got a lovely vanilla latte, not in a Christmas mug. I should get some really, but I have got a vanilla latte to try and help it today. Hopefully the natural light is going to help and kind of brighten the place up. I hope it works. Let's just see. So that's a little bit better. Like I said, we're unboxing December's Glossybox. If you don't know what Glossybox is, it's a monthly beauty subscription box. It's £10 monthly, but the postage and packaging, so it's like £13.25. This is my favourite subscription box ever. I've tried obviously Birchbox, but it doesn't come close to Glossybox in my opinion. I do love Glossybox and I think it's the better one of the two. But I am still subscribed to Birchbox. I'm not sure if I'm going to carry on, but maybe I might, just for a little bit longer. So obviously it's December, so this box is going to be Christmas themed. I can't wait to unbox it. Let me show you what it looks like. And this is what the box looks like. It's so pretty. It's got all that glitter and it's got loads of like gold little specks on. I don't know what, like confetti sort of it looks like to me. Confetti. Just goes all around the box. It's a stunning box. I'm definitely keeping this one this month. So I think that's it for the introduction. Obviously you'll find a link to the website in the description box. But yeah, I can't wait to unbox this, so I'm actually going to start. So inside it's just like a coral red with the gold Glossybox logo. And then we have the description card, which I'm just going to pop to the side for now. So we do have another little card in this box, and it says, try our face kit worth £20 for free when you order for over £19. This is the incredible Pore strips. Okay, I've never heard of this brand before. Okay, so this is what the inside of the box looks like. It's got a gold ribbon with the red tissue paper. I'm going to open it up. So I just undid the ribbon. It was quite hard to undo it. So I'm just going to open it up. Hopefully it doesn't all fall out. And this is what the box looks like inside. So before I start looking in the box, I'm just going to read what this box is about. It says, Merry Christmas Glossies. It's the month to add a sparkle of glitz and glamour to our beauty collection, and we've not held back. This December we're bringing you 5 full sets products plus an extra treat. 3 standout makeup products, 2 skincare gems, and a limited edition mythical body wash will ensure you're prepped and in the mood for the magical Christmas season. From a kissable berry red lips, love that, to radiant skincare and shimmering makeup, our All That Glitters edit is perfect for the on-the-go glamour, so you'll look and feel fabulous this Christmas season. So Glossies, shine bright this Christmas. Ah, that's lovely. So we have got a sneak peek for January. I can't believe we're going to be in 2019. But it's just here. 2019 is upon us and we're making some serious beauty resolutions. One being to rejuvenate and re-energize our skin. So this January we're treating you to a full-size deluxe hyaluronic acid Vivify Defying Face and Eye Night Cream from Avent Skincare. I've never heard of that brand. Worth £98. Wow. Okay, I shouldn't look at that really. So I'm going to pick out the first product. On top we have a product from MAYBEAUTY, the Incredible Pore Strips with charcoal removes blackheads. There's 2 strips in here. So it just says like the steps you have to do. So step 1, you have to make skin wet. 2, remove plastic cover. 3, place black side on skin. 4, let dry for 30 to 40 minutes. 5, peel off and see the difference. And then 6, rinse off any residue. There's nothing else on this product to tell me what it is, so I am going to read off the description card and find out what it is. So the product from MAYBEAUTY is an extra treat. So it's actually not part of this box, set from like an extra treat. The Incredible Pore Strips. We've included an extra treat to help prep your pores for the busy selfie season. These nose pore strips remove blackheads and impurities. We're sure you'll agree that nothing is more satisfying than peeling away pesky blackheads. Yes. And they're normally £3.50. That's quite cool. Do love an extra treat. For the second product we have by Beauty Blvd. Again, I can't pronounce this brand. I had it in the All I Want limited edition box. And this is the Divine Hydra-Gel Lip Mask. Plumps, tightens, smooths and hydrates. We've got 2 lip masks in here. Restores lip suppleness with natural elements from the red seaweed plant. Exfoliating properties derived from sugar beets and ingredients which occur naturally in green tea. Revitalizing lip mask contain the finest elements with the ability to help deliver moisture deeper into the skin. I'm actually going to open it up and see what they look like. So those are the lip masks. They're pink. Oh, they're so cute. I've never really used one before, so I'm really excited to see what they do and if they work. I'm going to read off the description card now. For plump, smooth, kissable lips, look no further. Formulated with green tea extracts and moisture boosting hyaluronic acid, these masks rescue dry lips. Collagen and antioxidants rich red wine extracts also helps to plump and smooth, perfect before applying your DOUCCE lip crayon. So they're full size for £7.50. So you do get a DOUCCE lip crayon. I think that's how you say it, DOUCCE. I've never tried a product from that brand, but I have heard of it before. I'm really happy with those lip masks. I do need them. My lips are a little bit dry this month from the weather. So the next product we have from Imperial Leather, and this is the Moon and Sparkle Unicorn Dust Fantasy Icons Shower Gel. That's so cute. The inside looks like a pearlized white. Let's just smell it. It does smell nice. It's a 250ml bottle. Inject some fun into your daily shower routine with a new limited edition Cosmic Unicorn Shower Gel inspired by cosmic moons and sparkle. It will leave your skin feeling magical, scented and soft. Who doesn't want to shower like a unicorn? That's really cool. So I'm going to read off the description card. Oh, so it's basically, like it said on the back, it's got pink, grapefruit, citrus and floral aromas, and it's a full size for £1.99 from Superdrug. That's quite cool. I do sometimes use Imperial Leather. So the next product is this little tub, and it's from Nico Pro Liquid Jelly Blusher, and I think it's in Bali. I've never heard of this brand or heard of a liquid jelly blusher. Very weird. Has got a seal on it. It looks like a very sparkly blush. Wow, okay. Hopefully you're able to see that. Again, I don't have my light, so I'm not too sure. Oh, it feels weird. It does feel weird. But yeah, that's the blush. So I'm guessing you can work it in and work it out. Okay, that's not too bad. So you have got very, very small gold little glitter specks in there. But it's not something that I would normally wear. but it looks very pretty though. Okay, so I'm just going to read a little bit about it on the description card. So Nico Pro Liquid Jelly Blush in Bali. Shimmers of gold combine with a beautiful pink colour to give your cheeks a flush of colour and a natural sparkle this winter. We love the unique jelly formula, hydrates, pigmented and lightweight. Apply a small amount of blush to the apples of your cheeks. This is a full size for £12. That's £12, little tub. This is an 8-gram little pot, quite a good size. The next product is from DOUCCE and it's the Relentless Matte Lip Crayon in 405 Winterberry. Wow, okay, so that's a dark red. And that's the colour. I might actually apply this to my lips in a minute. So it's waterproof, transfer proof and high colour payoff. So I'm going to read a little bit more about it from the description card. Reminiscent of mulled wine and winterberries, this rich, bold red lip crayon couldn't be more Christmassy if it tried. Long lasting and deeply pigmented, it glides on smoothly, an on-trend ultra matte finish. Pair with an LBD or a cute jumper for a chic daytime look. And this is a full size for £16.95. I finally have a product from DOUCCE. I'm going to apply that now onto my lips. And there is a colour, that's the Ultra Berry look. This went on really nicely actually. Before I had like a sparkly gloss on. I obviously took most of it off, but I bet there's like a little bit left and it went on perfectly over. No like patchiness, no, it's just, oh my god, it's really nice. It's like soft, it's not like too dry. I really like this product. I might look into the brand a bit more and see what else they have. Really nice, I love it. Okay, so now on to the last product, and this was the sneak peek in last month's box, and it's from BELLAPIERRE Cosmetics. It's a shimmer roll and this is in champagne. It says face, body, eyes, so I guess that's what you can use it all on. Does anything else? I don't think so. It's a 2-gram little roll, shadow roll thing. Let's open it up and see the colour. So yeah, it's got the little roll. That's the colour. Oh, it's so pretty. That is really pretty. It would be amazing on the eyes or as a highlight. I like that a lot. So I'm just going to read a little bit more about it and see what it says. So shimmer and champagne are Christmas essentials, so you'll love this lustrous champagne shimmer roll. This iridescent highlighter glides on and contains pure pigment that blends seamlessly and shimmer endlessly. Used to highlight your eyes, cheekbones or body to get a festive glow. This is a full size for £19.99. Wow, I do like that very much. That is so pretty. I'm definitely going to be using this on my next Christmas party. On the collarbones, on my shoulders, highlighter. Yes. So that's it for December's Glossybox. Really happy with this box. Got a lot of different kind of products. Obviously skincare and makeup and really lovely. I can't wait to use it all. I definitely can't wait to use these lip masks out and see if it can help my lips. They're a little bit dry. These pore strips for my nose, I can't wait. I love a good pore strip. And this lip berry, oh my god, it's amazing. Really pretty. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, then please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, ding ding. Also come and follow me on my Instagram. It's going to be somewhere down here. Again, I'm sorry about the lighting. I do want to get a new sort of like light or like a ring light, just to kind of give it a bit more even lighting when I do film. It's because it's up there and it's normally coming down. But I think the natural light did hold out a little bit. It might be a little bit dark sometimes. So thanks for watching, guys. Until next time.